going on, everyone? Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV, coming from the Sony Alpha Rooftop right here by Madison Park here in New York. And we're just blocks away from Adorama itself, 42 West 18th Street. But why are we up here? Well, it's another one of our events, and this is the annual Sony Rooftop event where we get to invite all the people around to come here for free to try out whatever Sony cameras they want, whatever lens they want for the night in multiple setups with strobes and constant light. So you're looking at me right now on the stage that we're gonna have a live performance from Bella and Gabri all night long doing amazing. Her voice is amazing, I just gotta tell you that. But they can also shoot this with the constant lights that we got from Godox, and there are other sets that have some Godox lights going on as well, and strobes provided by ProPhoto. Even Capture One is here if they want to tether, but they're not just got gear here. They've got plenty of instructors as well. I mean, we got the legendary Cliff Hausner from ProPhoto. We've got Monica Sigmon from Sony, Erick Hercules himself, another Sony member, and you've got the Adorama crew itself, including me, side by side, helping people out with whatever they have in their hands to get the looks that they want right there. And they can try even more stuff out. Free memory cards from ProGrade. We've got Tiffen filters. If you want to check out a Pro Mist, grab it off the table, go shoot, you can do that. Multiple models to get into. And again, the light's always changing up here, so even if you stay here a little longer, you're shooting the same thing, but not the same way. Very, very cool stuff. Night one was for students and educators, adorama.com/edu, special deals for them, programs for them, and that's great. Tonight, what we're getting ready for right now is night two with the general public. A lot more people, but there's also a lot of things like giveaways. Got an A7 IV for grabs, $250 gift card to Adorama up for grabs, and even more stuff like swag bags is going on over here. A lot of stuff always happening at the Adorama events, and you don't want to miss out on this. So make sure you check out adorama.com/events so you can check on the schedule. If you're going to make a trip to New York, make sure you check out what's going on with Adorama, including the Adorama event space in the store itself. There's stuff like this happening all the time. Don't forget to check out #CreateNoMatterWhat for everything that's being done on this rooftop so you can see what people are actually shooting. And don't forget to follow us on all social, including this channel. Hit subscribe, hit like, and the bell to get notified for more videos like this. I want to thank all the sponsors, Adorama Rentals for all the grip, and you for watching. We will see you next time. Later.